Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with one of the most important articles on Excel written for the Windows Club. The link to this article has been mentioned in the description. The article is on inserting formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. Once you learn this method, you would be able to solve most of your queries with Microsoft Excel. Imagine a situation where you have been provided with two numbers. The first number is in cell A3. The second number is in cell A4. You need to return the value after adding these two numbers in cell D3. So you would use the equal to operator. It is important to remember the equal to operator would be used to call a value to a particular cell. You would use the equal to operator and then mention these values A3 plus A4. Then hit enter. You would get the value upon adding the values in A3 and A4. Similarly, for subtraction, it becomes equal to A3 minus A4. Hit enter. For multiplication, it becomes equal to A3 into A4. Hit enter. Division equal to A3 divided by A4. Hit enter. This is how you use any formula. If you wish to learn about functions, there are a lot of functions in Microsoft Excel. For example, if you need to use the AutoSum function, simply select all of these values and hit on this AutoSum symbol here, and you would get the value in the next cell. So this is how you use a function. If you have any doubts with this, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.